All right, so I'm going to turn on this light just to get a better, more, oh, that's a little bit too much. All right, just let's take a look at that. Just constant, man, nonstop. I'm so flipping sick of winter, you know, and I'll show you the front here, but Jacob's got to go out, so I ended up going out and brushing off his car. Like, it was buried down there. I just wish it would end. And it's like closer to the end of March here, and it's just nothing. Just constant snow. Constant, and it's just so much this year. Winters are harsh, and when they last this long, they're way worse. I hate it. Oh well. Put up with it. I got to drive in it, and I've been driving in it. It's back and forth. But I got a system now where I try to stay closer to home if I can with my orders or deliveries. So I keep that spot as best as I can. You can in a parking lot. Everybody takes it, but it's back and forth like that. So you just got to try to do what you can do to stay in this immediate area when the roads are just shit. Because that's what they are. Shitty roads. I got good tires though. I'll admit that. I got the tires, so I'm happy, and that's working out well as far as driving is concerned and being safe. But I'm going to do this word study just because. And there you have it. The word because. There's your Greek. And then we got the English elements. Through which any. Yeah. All right. So, the concordant scripture. Romans 1:19. Because that which is known of God is apparent among them, for God manifests it to them. Romans 1:21. Because knowing God, not as God, do they glorify or thank him, but vain were they made in their reasonings, and darkened is their unintelligent heart. Romans 3:20. Because by works of law, no flesh at all shall be justified in his sight. For through law is the recognition of sin. Romans 8:7. Because the disposition of the flesh is enmity to God, for it is not subject to the law of God, for neither is it able. 1 Corinthians 15:9. For I am the least of the apostles, who am not competent to be called an apostle, because I persecute the ecclesia of God. Philippians 2:16. Since in fact he was longing for you all and depressed, because you hear that he is infirm. 1 Thessalonians 2:8. Thus being ardently attached to you, we are delighting to share with you not only the evangel of God, but our own souls also, because you came to be beloved by us. 1 Thessalonians 2:18. Because we want to come to you, indeed, I, Paul, once, even twice, and Satan hinders us. And 1 Thessalonians 4:6. No one is to be circumventing or overreaching his brother in the matter, because the Lord is the avenger of all these, according as we said to you before also and certify.